When it comes to safety, the Telluride doesn't mess around. It's earned top ratings from both the NHTSA and the IOHS, so you can rest assured that you and your loved ones are in good hands. This SUV is loaded with standard safety features, including forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. And with Kia's DriveWise technology, you'll have an extra set of eyes on the road, helping you avoid potential hazards. The Telluride is a safe and reliable SUV that you can trust to get you where you need to go. Now let's talk tech. The Telluride is packed with all the latest and greatest gadgets to keep you connected and entertained on the go. Whether you're on a long road trip or just running errands around town, staying connected has never been easier. The 12.3-inch touchscreen display is the command center for all your infotainment needs. This high-resolution screen is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it simple to access everything you need with just a few taps. From navigation to music to hands-free calling, the Telluride's infotainment system ensures that you can keep your eyes on the road while still enjoying all the features you love. The navigation system is precise and easy to use, guiding you to your destination with real-time traffic updates. And with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, you can seamlessly connect your smartphone and access all your favorite apps. Whether it's streaming your favorite playlist, sending a quick text, or getting directions, these features integrate your phone's capabilities directly into the car's system. The Telluride also features Kia's UVO Link system, a suite of connected services that enhance your driving experience. This system offers a range of functionalities that make your life easier and your drives more enjoyable. With UVO Link, you can remotely start your car, ensuring it's warmed up and ready to go before you even step outside. This is especially handy on those cold winter mornings or hot summer days. You can also lock and unlock the doors from a distance, providing an extra layer of security and convenience. No more fumbling for keys or worrying if you remember to lock the car, and even find your car in a crowded parking lot. The UVO Link system can pinpoint your vehicle's location, saving you time and stress when you're in a hurry. Talk about convenience. With all these features, the 2024 Kia Telluride ensures that you stay connected, entertained, and in control, no matter where the road takes you.